welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018, and we'll show you how to remove and replace windshield wiper arms. We're talking about both arms, if you need to remove them for a windshield replacement, if you need to remove them for working on a windshield motor. We have a video how to replace windshield motor. This will be very helpful video, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos, guys, on this car, so please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money, and let's go ahead and start on it now. First, you can see there is a cap that we need to remove. Just pull it out. It's a rubberized cap. Now grab a 15mm socket. Okay, get the nut loose. There is a washer there. Okay, let me just focus quick here to show you. Okay, nut, washer, and a plastic cap. Now the same thing on this side. So we'll go ahead and remove the nut and a washer. Now it's very important how you remove those. You need to install them in exactly the same way, otherwise your wipers will not work. We'll have a video how to synchronize them as well. It will be on the channel. So lift them up, grab the arm and move it like up and down a little bit. Okay, just don't go left and right, try to go just up and down. And eventually it will come off. Okay, perfect, just like that. One is out. Now we just need to remove the second wiper arm on this side. Okay, perfect. This one is out as well. So you can see, guys, that's how we remove them. Installation will be exactly in reverse order. We took it apart. If they are not working correctly, check out the video. We'll have it on the channel. We will explain how to synchronize them and all that stuff. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.